Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone overheating while charging and shutting off in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So the first solution is remove all the accessories you have attached with your iPhone. For example, your iPhone case or any other accessories you have attached with your iPhone. So if it doesn't fix your problem, then avoid using your mobile while charging and try to use wireless charging. And if it's still don't fix your problem, then restart your iPhone and wait for cool down. So to restart, press your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now slide this icon to right to power off your iPhone and then power on your iPhone. So after restarting, if it doesn't fix your problem, then go to settings. Now in settings, click on general. Now here, click on software updates and check if your iPhone is updated to latest iOS. So if your iPhone is not updated to latest iOS version, then update it, and after updating it will fix your problem. But if it's still not fixing your problem, then again open settings and click on general. Now here click on background app refresh, and from here again click on background app refresh. Turn off background app refresh to fix your problem. So I hope it will fix your problem. Thanks for watching.